video too. Hi guys, I'm right here in Montego Bay at Cafe Mocha. It's located at Shop 13 Bay Harbor on Gloucestershire Avenue. So I'm here with the staff. This is Melissa, Teja, and this is Peter. He is a show his shirt. So he is a representative of Deaf Can Coffee. So if you are not familiar with that organization, it is a faith-based organization that is set up to raise awareness, about deaf coffee, deaf baristas. Right? I met them in 2014 when I did my feature on them on Roots FM. And see, right now Peter is here working at Cafe Mocha in Mobay. So I can't sign, so I can't get to talk to him, but he can read my lips. So I can ask him, are you enjoying working at Cafe Mocha? Do you enjoy working here?
Yes.
Do you enjoy working here? Yes, so he enjoys working here. Right, and he's excellent. So as soon as people come out, he brings the menu to them, and it's so nice. I don't get to try his coffee drinks as yet because I'm strapped for time, but I'm definitely going to come back. But I have the escovitch fish. Are you the chef?
No, I'm the waitress.
You're the waitress?
Yes.
You're the chef?
No, the waitress.
You're a waitress as well. Waitress. Alright, but the escovitch fish is lovely at Cafe Mocha. But while Cafe Mocha is nice, it's in Montego Bay, and Montego Bay is a beautiful city. So I'm going to ask them to tell me 5 things that they love about Mobay. So let's start with you. Tell me 5 things you like about Montego Bay.
The food at some of the restaurants is the
like
warm,
here,
like right here at that American.
Yes.
The people, some of the people, not all of them. The beaches, the party, the bars they can go to and have fun.
Yes.
Like my girl, right?
What else you like? I think you told me before. The atmosphere. When you say the atmosphere, it's so beautiful in Montego Bay. Yes.
I think I agree with Teja.
No. You have to tell me 5.
Those were the same exact words I would say just like Teja about Montego Bay. Honestly.
Nothing else?
Yes.
There's nothing else nice about Mobay? No, just 5 things alone you can say?
Same thing. The people,
Yes.
the atmosphere. I would say the same thing.
You love the food in Mobay, right? Yes. Peter loved the food in Mobay. And coffee. Coffee? Yes. Everything. Guys, you need to come to Montego Bay. It's a beautiful. Why is the video freezing? Okay. You need to come to Montego Bay. It's a beautiful city. I'm going to go outside just a little bit so that you can see exactly what I'm talking about. But trust me, when you come to Mobay, come to Cafe Mocha. They have menu items, a variety of menu items for vegetarians, for meat eaters, and if you're somebody who needs your coffee in the morning, Deaf Can Coffee is right here. Yes? Yeah. Cafe Mocha. Alright, thank you guys. I'm going to show them outside. Alright, so and just show you outside. So I was here for a video shoot with Media Toll Agency Limited. Right here is Mr. Enley. Yes. And Shamir. Alright. And now this is Gloucestershire Avenue, guys. Now look at this. Mobay Nicey, look at this. I don't think anywhere else in, okay, I'm not gonna say Jamaica, but anywhere else in Mobay is so beautiful than on the hip strip. And it's right where Margaritaville is. So if you're familiar with Montego Bay, you come on down to Gloucestershire Avenue past the park, right? And then it's right over on your right hand side, right after you pass Burger King. I hope I'm giving the right directions. It's so beautiful, so beautiful, and this is one of the reasons why I am smiling when I'm in Mobay. Alright guys, yes, he is shy Wayne, and I really want to learn sign language so that I can speak and engage with these intelligent and these intelligent baristas. Because I mean, you're missing home when I understand. Very beautiful. Wish I was there from the snow. Maria, totally understand. So I won't be here for long. I'm actually on my way now to, let me see if I can switch around. Okay, so I'm on my way to Mellow FM. They're going to, I'll be meeting the boogeyman. I don't know if I'll get an opportunity to go live for you guys to meet Barry G, but we'll be talking about an award that I won recently from the World University Service in Canada for a documentary that I produced on homophobia and popular music in Canada and Jamaica, right? So tune into that, Mellow FM 5:15 today. If you're in Jamaica, it's Mellow 88.7, so it's 88.7 on the FM dial. And if you're overseas, you can download the Mellow FM app. I think it's Mellow Digital in the Google Play Store, and I also believe it's in the Apple Play Store as well. So you can go ahead and download it. I look forward to you guys listening and give me some feedback. Follow me on Instagram, Mowatt. Follow me on Facebook, Ashleigh-Ann Mowatt. If you click through the caption, you'll see me. I'm definitely having fun weighing, and I hope that you are living or enjoying Mobe through my live video. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, I'm Ashleigh-Ann Mowatt. Take good care.